a Negroni Scaviato. Hey everybody! So here in my bar in our Tuscan villa, I'm making a Negroni Scaviato. I probably said that wrong, but what it means is a mistaken Negroni. Basically, someone was in a bar, they were going to make a Negroni, which is gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth, and instead of gin, they grabbed Prosecco, or sparkling wine. So that's what this drink is, but I'm going to call it the big mistake. Instead of a white sparkling wine or Prosecco, I'm going to use a rosé, because I think the color is going to match and pair nicely with these other red liqueurs that we're using. So it's a very easy drink to make. You make it right in the glass, equal parts Campari, which is a bitter, grapefruit-ish tasting, very famous liqueur from Italy. Like, if you have an Italian cocktail, chances are it has Campari in it. And then same amount of red vermouth, sweet vermouth. And if I was making a Negroni, right now I would add an equal part of gin, but we're making a mistaken Negroni, or the big mistake. So I'm going to open a bottle of pink or rosé sparkling wine. This is a local Prosecco from our friend Francesco. And I'm just going to top that off. Don't even need to measure it. That's how easy this drink is. And I see my sister-in-law. She's over there licking her chops. And then for a garnish, I'm just going to do orange peel. Got a vegetable slicer. Just twist it over the top. Plop it in there. And that's...
That doesn't look like a spagliato to me, honey.
Look who's here.
And you did say that a little rough, sweetheart.
Spagliato. I don't know.
Spagliato.
Spagliato.
Whatever.
Mwah.
It doesn't look like the drink's a mistake.
No, hopefully not.
I took the fuller one. Yes, I did. Cheers.
Cheers.
I took the fuller one because I'm taking... Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, that's good. Mwah.
I'm going to give it to Maria, who's drooling. Here you go, babes. Cheers, and cheers to us for season 17. We hope you stick with us. Ciao.
Make this.